Hello, and welcome to another episode of The Art of Delegation. Billing assistants are a vital part of your professional staff. The specific tasks assigned to your billing assistant may vary depending on the nature of your firm. But simply put, all billing assistants keep track of the money that flows in and out of your company. Naturally, you'll want to be sure to keep this type of person happy. I'm Joe, and today we'll go through 5 tips to keep your billing assistant happy. Number 1, provide work-life balance. These days, there is much importance placed on having a fair work-life balance. And as a firm owner, you need to be aware of this fact. Offer your billing assistant the option to develop a flexible schedule or other opportunities and choices which can provide an adequate work-life balance. Number 2, give adequate paid time off, or PTO. Employers are not under any state or federal command to provide PTO for employees, but you are in competition with other companies to attract and retain the best employees. Number 3, recognize hard work and achievements. If your billing assistant performs his or her tasks at a high level consistently, you need to recognize his or her diligence sufficiently. Perhaps you can send off a company-wide email in which you highlight your assistant's accomplishments. When employees feel valued, they are much more likely to stay. Number 4, encourage frequent communication and participation. Encourage your employees to regularly reach out to you for whatever reason, and try to sponsor company events in which your billing assistant can participate and feel connected with co-workers and managers. Number 5, offer additional compensation when necessary. If your billing assistant exceeds expectations, you should offer additional compensation. As we've mentioned, this isn't the only way to keep your billing assistant happy, but whenever possible, give some extra compensation to show that you really value the contributions of your assistant. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share or like this video. And don't forget to follow us on all social media for more tips on the art of delegation. See you next time.